Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and it's just a quick video from me today because today's my birthday, so I am off doing other things, but I do want to stop by and say a couple of things. One, I do want to say thank you to everybody that is subscribed, likes, comments, watches my videos. I do appreciate each and every one of you, and I also want to say thank you in regards, to you all, and to offer a giveaway, because why not? I have a stash of diamond paintings from companies that have gifted things to me to unbox and show, and I've got a fly around this room that will not disappear, so if you see the buzzing fly around, sorry. So yeah, I do want to share, because everything that companies send to me that I don't pay for, I either keep a few, which form my stash, and for others that I'm not going to get around to because there's too many, I do like to share with you guys. So I've had a few giveaways in the past, and it's time for another one so that I can clear some space. So I have 5 of these boxes to give away. I will ship anywhere in the world. I do believe that, you can view anywhere in the world, so my giveaway is for anywhere in the world. So what you need to do to enter is, if you go to my website, 4kids@147.com, there will be a giveaway tab across the top bar. Once you click on that, it will ask you for a password. The password for this giveaway is birthday, all lowercase. So pop that in, and then it'll ask you for your details, mainly just your name and your email address. I think it may ask for your YouTube user ID as well, but it doesn't ask for any more details than that. What we'll do, the giveaway will close in 24 hours from this video going up. Based on past history, there is a lot of entrants within a 24-hour period. So we will close it after 24 hours. We will then remove any duplicates, because it is one entry per person, and we'll do a random number generator that will pick 5 lucky winners who will be offered a parcel of diamond painting goodies. And what we'll do is we'll then email those 5 people asking them for their postal address. So you don't have to give your address details unless you're a winner, and if you're a winner you don't have to. However, I can't send it you without, so it's still completely up to you. And yeah, we will send off 5 parcels of diamond painting goodies to the winners. But yeah, just head on over to my website, have a browse at the other things that are there while you're there. I have tried to make sure that it's a place that you can find reference to handy videos, links to our favourite things if you've maybe seen them in videos, all sorts of other bits, and of course there's a shop there as well. But yeah, head over there. I'm going to go and enjoy my birthday, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.